Is it?
We're in a kind of like a little hailstorm thing right now. Kind of golf ball sized.
Oh my.
Look at that water there coming down.
It's like really bad.
I'm so happy we went in a hotel. Oh my god.
Yeah, I think lots of people might be checking into a hotel.
There.
Well, it's kind of hard to see because there's.
Guys, no, not the window down. No, no. Just one tiny little bit.
Where?
Behind us back there.
Oh.
Why did you not go to the
Look at this. Take a look. Get a picture of.
What if somebody's windshield broke while they were driving?
Boy, that's amazing. Look at that car there. It's just got its windshield broken, its back window broken.
Dad! Why don't you open up your window?
Oh.
Dad, why do we
Oh,
stop?
power line's down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't want to hit that.
Go under.
Another car's coming in.
Go under. See?
Yeah.
Sit right under.
Should we go way over? We're a taller car.
And maybe it's a good thing you didn't have the car top carrier.
Oh.
No, we're not going to hit that at all with the
Right side.
antenna or anything.
Happy day.
Go in. Caleb, what you got?
A giant hailstone.
No kidding. Isn't this just nuts?
Multiple,
Look at that. Broken up windshields. Hi. Rivers.
Dad.
Yeah, look at that. Crazy. Okay. Oh, Levi, what happened? Hiram, what happened? Did you fall down? What did you fall down on? What? Holy, wow, look at all that hail. And that's, most of it's melted. Now.
Giant hailstones.
Giant hailstones, all right. Tell Kelly what your trailer's like now.
Trailer looks like a golf ball, giant golf ball. Lots of dimples. It's all dimples.
So basically you're going to get better gas mileage now
Yes.
for the lower air resistance.
We're sleeping in a conference center tonight.
I was sitting in the tent trailer watching the roof dent in.
Wow.
Putting pots and pans around. For some reason, I was trying to catch the leaking water. I don't know what the point was.
What did you think about, Josh, what did you think about all that hail?
Show them your hailstone you caught.
Can I see it? That is just huge.
What was it like in the conference center? Was it really loud? Yeah, everyone was scared.
Wow, that's pretty exciting. Hi, Daisy. Oh,
Oh, hi, Daryl.
having fun?
Yeah, look at all the souvenirs we collected.
Wow, those are
Yeah, we're pretty
huge.
lucky. I think they're gonna last.
Wow.
Really.
Wow,
Go down
wow,
in
wow.
history.
Yeah.
And we're collecting more.
Well, I've heard of these kinds of hailstorms, but I've never actually seen one.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like this. But apparently our tent is okay. So
That's
we're
awesome.
glad. Yeah. We're really glad. We have somewhere to sleep.
You have a water bed?
Well, we do now. Nothing was in it. It's just set up. So
Wow.
Elena's just afraid. She was just, exploring near the creek. So there were